Hello everyone and welcome you all again to the tutorial on Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, so now this is the time for a class project and here we'll be creating our own motion graphics. So I'll be showing you guys what you need to do here and what all are the steps that you need to follow to achieve this particular goal. Okay, so I'll be showing you step by step and I'll also give you guys a stepwise instruction as well, okay, that you guys can basically create your own motion graphic. Okay, so let's see what all options do we got here. So here, as you can see, the name of the class project is creating your own motion graphic, and I also do have a description like why you need to create a motion graphic. So this is basically involves designing and animating visual elements to bring life and also movement to your particular video project. Okay, so you guys can experiment with all of this and achieve your design as well. So the first step will be just make a sequence in a media browser. I've shown you guys. So any problem or any question if you guys have regarding this, you guys can always refer this particular video. And after that, you guys select the tab tool and write your text down. And the third step will be add your motion in your text and from essential graphic option. And step four will be that save that particular graphic in your local drive. Okay. Remember that to save in your local drive means in your system. And the last step will be upload your MOGRT file in our project panel. So if you guys have any doubt what is a MOGRT file, you guys can always recommend my video where I have showed you guys how you can create a MOGRT file and also how you can get access to different type of MOGRT files, which is by default there in Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, so hope you guys will understand this project and I'm so eager to check out all of your work here. Okay, so let's see how you guys will start your work. So here already I'm in my workspace. Okay, so now from here I'll be creating a sequence. So this is Control plus N from our keyboard and I'll name this one as class project 1. So I do have this one and I'll check the settings. Okay, everything is fine. 25 5 frames per second. And yeah, this one is fine. I'm okay with this. And I will click on OK from here as well. Okay, so now you guys can see I do have this particular frame here. Now I do have my type tool here. So maybe with my type tool, I'll just create a particular box. Okay, so I'll be creating a particular box and I will type motion graphic project. So here I have written this particular thing down here. And now what I'm going to do is I'll select this particular thing from here, go to the essential graphics option, and after that come here. Okay, click on this. And now you guys can basically transform this one. Okay, so I'll go to the edit option. I have came to my essential graphics option from here. Now what I'll do is I'll put on positioning. Okay, so here I can also choose what kind of font and everything I need. I can do that. So I have shown you guys everything there in my particular class, but here I'll be just giving you guys a demo of how to do that. So now I'll here and what I'll do is I want a different workspace. Okay, so maybe I'll change the layout of my workspace. I'll go to editing one or I'll come here and I'll also add this particular media browser as well here. Okay, so I do have my media browser as well here. And in this, I do have my essential graphics. Come to the edit option. And here you can see I do have these options here. Okay, so from where I can actually select the font and everything. So maybe if I select this particular font, I do have this. I'll bring this one in the center. And I will also increase the tracking. Okay, so maybe I will increase this one a little bit from here. And also I will increase the leading. And now I'll go to the positioning. Okay, so for that, again, I need to come here and I need to go to this particular option, essential graphic. And now let's check the motion. Okay, so first I'll be going to the motion option. So maybe I'll come here, essential graphics, browse, come back to this window again, workspace. I want all my panels to be visible. Okay, so here another panel will be added. Okay, so it might take some time. Sometimes our system is quite slow. Okay, so here you guys can see I do have this option here. Okay, under effect control, I do have all of this. So now what I'm going to do is I will change the positioning from here. And I have shown you guys how you guys can basically do this. So first I will bring my playhead here. Okay, I'll bring my playhead somewhere here, here. Okay, I'll bring my playhead here. And now I will change the positioning or I will click on this one from here and I will change the position now after I bring my playhead somewhere here. Okay, at the beginning. And I'll change the positioning from here. So maybe I will change this one. Okay, so I'll bring this one somewhere here. And yeah, I do have this. So now let's see a preview. So this is how actually it will look. So this is the basic motion graphic of how it will appear. Okay, I can also change the spacing from here. So now it will take some time. And if I keep it somewhere here, so I will come here. So this is how it will appear over here. So if I right click onto here, go to temporal interpolation, then I will select the ease out option and I will come here and right click temporal interpolation ease in. So I have edited this as well. So here you guys can see this is how my motion graphic work. So here you can also put on many of these keyframes and edit according to yourself. You can add rotation, scaling, all of this as well here. Okay. So if you guys have any question regarding this, you guys can always refer my video. Okay. And I'll be really eager to check out your work. So this is how you can actually create a motion graphic. So positioning, scaling, rotation, you can change the opacity according to the timing. You guys can do it on top of a particular video as well. Okay, so now I will come to the selection tool option. I will click on this one. Okay, so I will click on this, or I'll just zoom in a little bit. So yeah, I do have this one selected. Export as motion graphic template. So here you can see a class project one and everything is fine. I don't have to click on this here. Okay, I'll click on OK. And here it is exporting to my place here. Again, if I go to this one, and here you can see I am uploading it to my local drive. Okay, so it will be uploaded in my local drive. So yeah, I will now I'll just go and check that is this uploaded in my local file or not. Okay, so I need to check this out where this particular thing have been saved. But this is how you guys can basically export your files. So for me, I have actually downloaded that one, that particular motion graphic. So if you want to check your positioning where you have basically saved, come here again. Okay, come here, export as motion graphics, and you can actually select here in local drive where it will be saved. So here you can see the Adobe Premiere Pro resource file. So I will click on this. I will select OK. I'll as the same name exists on motion graphics. And now I will click on OK. So it's getting exported and now it's being exported. So I'll check now. So I'll come here. So as you guys can see here, I have just saved this particular file. And if I click on this, it's asking me where do I want to open this one. So I can use the same motion graphics in my Photoshop as well as Illustrator and many other softwares. So I hope you guys have understood this class and I'll wait for you guys to send your project on this motion graphic. Okay, till then, take care and goodbye everyone.